What is going on, everyone? My name is Paul. I go by Smrtman, and in today's video we're revealing the new smart car. Now if you guys watched my last video, you would notice that I actually partially revealed the car, and today is the full reveal, and we're going to be getting Cody's reaction as well. I filmed it last night with him. So that being said, let's get these two loud muffler delete cars out of the garage. Alright, let's go. So you guys think that car is loud? Well, I have a louder car. So we have a cold start on my new smart car with the loud new obnoxious exhaust. And here we go. It immediately just starts purring and being really loud and annoying. Just like me. This smart car is so loud. it's obnoxious, yes. But this isn't my daily driver. And oh, we got an underpass. Let's go. Woo. And I've already had like 2 people try and race me because they hear the car. So ridiculous. It's so over the top. And that's what I like about doing with my smart cars. I like making them so ridiculous. And no, this exhaust might not be for everybody, but I'm enjoying it. I know Cody absolutely hates it. So what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and cut to the footage I filmed last night when I showed Cody the smart car for the first time since wrapping it and wheels and adding this exhaust. So let's go ahead and check out the video from last night. This is Cody's first time hearing the new smart car with the new FastReligion exhaust, and we're gonna see his reaction to this.
It's not even that loud.
It's not? Okay.
Or is it?
Let me back up real quick because I have to move out of the way.
Oh.
Alright.
It's not as loud as the Fiat.
Hold on.
Okay, I'd say just a little bit obnoxious. It didn't sound like it was going to be that loud when you first started it.
I'm just really pushing it. So, it's pretty loud. What do you think about it, Cody?
Pretty loud. I wish that it wasn't that loud.
Yeah.
Maybe half as loud as it is.
It's just because the windows are down, I think.
It really is too loud.
You don't like it?
No.
Alright. That is Cody's reaction. I just took it on his first just kind of cruise through town, and some guy literally pulled me over and said, "Is that thing gas? It sounds so great." And I was like, "Yes, can't you tell?" But this thing is awesome. I love this car. Let's get some slow-mo of the new car. So, as you guys can see, this car is very green. It just reminds me of my old smart car when I did the second wrap on it. I wrapped both my smart car and my Fiat bright green together. It came out really sick. I love the brightness, I love the green, I love the smart. I purchased a set of wheels from Discount Tire actually, and they didn't ship the right ones, so they upgraded me to these awesome, cool looking wheels. I like them. They're not too expensive, but they had a nice touch to the car, and I'm actually really digging it. The exhaust, I just love how it purrs. Just listen to it. I mean, all you can hear is the beautiful fall leaves rustling. It's gorgeous, but you know what sounds better? Almost straight pipe smart car with that high flow cat. It's just epic. I love it. So that's basically it. Oh, it's a bad hair day. I guess it's fall, right? And it's just Smrtman. So if you guys have ever watched my channel, you guys know that I have bad hair days all the time. That being said, thank you guys for watching the channel. If you guys love this build, just wait. I have some more great plans planned for both this car and the Fiat. If you are interested in any kind of smart car content, I just announced the official reservations for Mountain Madness 3. Can't believe we've done 3 Mountain Madnesses now. So if you're interested, follow the Southern Smarts on Facebook. That being said, if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe for more Smrtman content. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my vlogs. Y'all take care. Peace.